AI advancement. Google's revolutionary AI-integrated robots unveiled. Google has recently introduced a new generation of robots that are integrated with advanced AI capabilities. The robots are designed to execute complex tasks autonomously, demonstrating a significant improvement over earlier robotic technologies. The AI system installed allows the robots to navigate obstacles and adjust to varying environments dynamically. Machine learning techniques have been used by Google's engineers to train these robots, enabling them to learn and evolve from experiences. This innovative robotics project symbolizes an evolution in Google's long history in the field of AI, expanding its potential practical applications. The new robots can manipulate objects and traverse diverse terrains, presenting a substantial upgrade from traditional industrial robots. They are also capable of self-learning and adaptation to unforeseen circumstances, representing a higher level of AI maturity. The breakthrough by Google heralds a wealth of applications, including aiding in intricate tasks in sectors such as healthcare, logistics, and manufacturing. Nevertheless, the rise of such robots also raises ethical questions related to job displacement and privacy. There are also concerns from critics about the security threats posed by such advanced robots, including the potential for misuse in harmful activities. Google has reassured that it is fully conscious of these concerns, and that ethical considerations and security are top priorities in its AI research and development efforts. The autonomy and learning capabilities of the robots underscore the advances in AI technology, marking a new chapter in robotics. Google's initiative is seen as an indication of a broader trend, with technology giants progressively focusing on incorporating AI into robotics. The shift towards autonomous robots further highlights the swift pace of technological progress and its implications for various sectors and society as a whole. Looking to the future, Google's development prompts a discussion on the regulation and ethical considerations of AI-powered robots, while also displaying the promising potential of this technology.